How to watch US Netflix from Mexico. Watching Netflix US from Mexico gives you access to a larger variety of shows and movies that aren't available in the Mexican catalog. Now say for example, what I have right here is the US library for Netflix, and again, I am not from US, you guys. So in order for me to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and look for purevpn.com. There are a lot of options, but this one I tell you is one of the best. And as you can see right off the bat, we have 83% worth of discount. So that is really amazing. Now, apart from this 83% worth of discount, there's also a 31-day money-back guarantee. Additionally, if you use our promo code, it's Pure15, you can get an additional 15% discount. So if you are interested, click the link in the description or the comment section below in order for you to avail it. Now again, from here, we're just going to go ahead and scroll down, and we should be able to see something like this. So these are the applications for different devices. I'm going to choose Windows because I'm using a Windows PC. Scroll down and go ahead and click try for free on Windows, or you can go ahead and click this in order to get yours already. So say for example, you are already done downloading and installing this in your PC, which is actually very simple. What you're going to do is just open it, and here is how it is going to look. So as you can see, I'm using Chicago, US here. We're going to go ahead and click this one in order for us to connect to different servers. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the US. There you go. Click yes, and we should be redirected and connected to different servers in the US. Now, isn't that amazing? Now we are in Seattle. Now, if we are to go back here in Netflix, refresh this one, we should still be able to see the US library here. Alright, there you go. As you can see, it still says US. And yeah, that is how you're going to do it. And if you are interested in the services and offers I mentioned earlier, go ahead and try PureVPN now and avail 80% worth of discount, plus the use of promo code PURE15 for an additional 15% off. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and leave this video a like if it helps you out.